Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Quizlet app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of Quizlet app and you click here. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for